Well, hello there. Welcome once more to Pancho's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stepping by, a very warm akwaba to you. Today I'm sharing with you a quick smoked mackerel recipe. So for this you will need your mackerel, which we sometimes refer to it in Ghana as salmon, but it is actually mackerel. That is the real name. And so I've already washed these. They were cleaned for me when I got them from the fish market. And I am putting some black pepper on it. So it's about half a teaspoon of black pepper, some salt, and a total of 5 of my homemade marinade cubes. And I will link it here for you if you haven't come across it yet. So I am calling this smoked mackerel, but it's not going to be smoked. I'm going to prepare this in my oven. But I am trying to replicate the smoked mackerel that we would buy in the market in Ghana, salmon, what we mistakenly call salmon, but it is mackerel. So I have them all seasoned, and I have put a rack over my baking pan and sprayed it with some cooking spray just so it doesn't stick, because I'm not going to put any oil on the mackerel. It is already oily. And so now I'm laying all my fish on the rack. And then I have preheated my oven to 370 degrees, and I am going to bake this for a total of 50 minutes. So here goes my mackerel. And I did some salmon heads as well, and that is what I just put on the lower rack. So I actually baked this for the first 30 minutes, brought it out and flipped them over, because the top side, as you can see, it's already crisped and cooked. And so I just need to flip it around and put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. So that will be the total 50-minute bake time, and our mackerel will be good to go. So the extra 20 minutes later, and just look, beautiful. And this, of course, is well seasoned. It is salted. It is spiced, unlike the ones that the market women of the fishmongers would make, which will probably be just salted and smoked. So this you could have right away with your banku, your eba, your apisi, whatever you want to have it with. It is perfectly seasoned. Or you will use it for what it's normally meant to be used for, to cook with it. Normally, I will make at least 10 pieces of fish at a time, and we will have some right away that same day. Of course, you want to enjoy it when it is fresh. I will cook with some if I need to cook with some right away, and freeze the rest. And whenever you need it, it freezes beautifully. You just take it out, let it thaw, and you're good to go to make you a delicious meal with it. I hope you try this. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.